Floor finisher. Yeah, g'day mate. So today I'm looking for 2 floor finishers for a company in Perth in Western Australia. It's mainly for timber flooring installation. Like sort of basketball courts and that kind of stuff. So like sanding and coating timber flooring. Experience with vinyl and carpet would also be an advantage. The salary is around 75 to 85,000 Australian dollars per year. The employer will sponsor the 482 working visa. If you'd like to apply, the link is below. An additional bonus or advantage would be if you've got sort of commercial flooring installation experience, like vinyl and carpet, high-rise commercial sort of thing. Anyways, my name's Kano, recruitment and visas for Australia. Have a good day, mate.